educational program. I still remain your humble host, Adewuyi Abimbola. In our last class, we talked about workshop accidents. I said workshop accident can be defined as an unpleasant occurrence that happens unexpectedly and cause injury or damages. We also talked about causes of workshop accidents. The causes of workshop accident includes 1. Walking barefooted in workshop. 2. Spilling of oil on the workshop floor. 3. Using an incorrect spanner to a particular job. Which brings us to today's topic, general rules and regulation in workshop. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to define safety device, and state the general uses and regulation in workshop. Let's start with the definition of safety. Safety can be defined as the condition or feelings of being safe or secured. Safety devices are provided for use in workshop so as to reduce the risk of accidents. What are the devices used to protect delicate parts of the body, such as the eyes, the nose, the chest, the hand, the leg, the head? These devices include helmets, hand glove, safety goggle, nose mask, fire extinguisher, and safety boots. What are the general rules and regulations in workshop? 1. Never work alone. Make sure you work in pairs so that in case of if there is any workshop accident, the others can help you out. 2. Know where the main switch is. This is to stop process immediately. Anyone working in a workshop or going at any plant area should make sure he or she wears device like your safety devices like a helmet, you wear your hand glove, your safety goggle, you wear your boots, etc. 3. Always use safety belts when working at height, such as stakes or column. 4. Do not tamper with or attempt to repair equipment or instruction which you do not understand. 5. Defective tools are dangerous. Do not use them. In fact, never use a tool except for its proper purpose. 6. Keep your hands off machineries that you are not operating or repairing. 7. All stairways, platform, and walkway must be kept clean at all times. Having said the definition of safety device, and listing the general rules and regulation in the workshop, this brings us to the end of today's lesson. I still remain your humble host, Adewuyi Abimbola. Bye for now.